Hello, welcome to this video. This video particularly is going to run you through how to create a project folder and a test file in command prompt. This is cohort 2 and this is coding with Python. Welcome. The first thing you need to do in creating a project folder in uh, command prompt using command prompt is you need to start the command prompt application, and once you have got it started, then you are ready to create a folder. Previously we learned several commands that we could use to interact with command prompt. We've said that it's a text-based interface and click you cannot click to get things to be done in command prompt. So start your command prompt application and then you are ready to kick off in giving it text commands to create a project folder. Alright, so this is command prompt. This is how it's going to look, and do not forget that this is the path. My path is C users Omoluabi. So this is where I'm going to be creating the general project folder, where I can create other files, inside of which I can create other files and other folders if there is a need. The command for creating a folder in command prompt is mkdir. That's the spelling of the command, mkdir. Now mkdir means make directory. That's the interpretation of mkdir. So that's the command. The command is going to take the name of the folder that you want to create. So when you type mkdir, you also need to type the name of the folder that you want to create. So mkdir followed by the name of the folder you want to create. The name of the folder we're creating is cohort 2. Cohort 2. That's going to be the name of the folder we will create. This is going to be the general folder where all other folders and other files will be stored. So we've given the command, the folder has been created, it didn't return any errors, so the folder has been created. Now we need to get into that folder, and to do that we will use a command called cd. Cd means change directory. But first, one of the things we could do to confirm that we have created a folder is to check the current directory whether the folder is present, and to do that you use the command dir, and we've done that. You can see right here that we have the cohort 2 directory. We have the cohort 2 directory present. We can clear the screen, and now we can navigate into the cohort 2 directory itself, where we can create other files that we want to use for a project. Do not forget, this is just an example of how to create your project file, your project directory, and then how to navigate into the project directory, and then how to create your project file. So to navigate into the project directory cohort 2, you use the command called cd. Cd means change directory, and this is how the command works. You type the command cd, and then you type the name of the directory that you are getting into, which is cohort 2. Now the path name has changed. The path name used to be C users Omoluabi. Right now the path name is C users Omoluabi cohort 2. That means we have been able to successfully navigate into the cohort 2 directory, and we can do the same thing we did previously. We type in the dir command to view the number of files and the number of directories inside the cohort 2 directory. As you can see, we have 0 files, and then we have just 2 directories. You do not have to worry about this, because this is okay. It means that your file is empty. Sorry, your directory is empty. The cohort 2 directory is empty. You haven't created any files yet. So the next step is to create a file. That's what this video is about: learning how to create your project folder and then how to create a file. We're going to create a test file. Everything is done using commands, as has been said. So we're going to give you the command that you can use to create a file. The command for creating a file, an empty file, is type null, the greater than sign, and then the name of the file that you want to create with the extension. You need to remember that the extension is the suffix that is added to a file name. This extension here is .py because we're creating a Python file. After we do that, we run the dir command so that we can view the list of files and directories inside of cohort 2. Now we see that we have a file in cohort 2, which is test.py. Right now we have just one file in cohort 2. Previously we had no file, but now we have just one file.